Hi, Sarah. How's it going?
Hi, Ben. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. What's your daily routine like?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. How about you?
I get up at 6:30 a.m. What do you do after you wake up?
I have breakfast. I usually eat cereal and fruit. What do you have for breakfast?
I like to have toast and eggs. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work. My work hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What about you?
I go to school. My classes start at 8 a.m. and end at 3 p.m. What do you do after work?
After work, I go to the gym for an hour. Do you exercise?
Yes, I play football with my friends after school. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. How do you spend your evenings?
I usually do my homework first, then I play video games or watch a movie. Do you watch a lot of TV?
Not a lot. I like to watch a few episodes of my favorite shows. What kind of shows do you like?
I enjoy action and comedy shows. What about you?
I prefer comedies and dramas. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m. How about you?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, but mostly I play video games. Do you find it easy to fall asleep?
Yes, I do. Listening to music helps me relax. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like listening to music too. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to visit my parents. Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking of going to the park and maybe watching a movie. Have a great day, Sarah.
Thanks, Ben. You too. Bye.
Bye.